Okay, so when I recently just got the new Apple Watch Ultra, I realized that when it comes to the bands that you can buy with it right from Apple's website from launch, you are really limited when it comes to the quality and quantity that you can choose from. So I just decided to make a video and see whether my old bands are compatible and how they are going to be looking with paired with a new Apple Watch Ultra. For once, it's a bigger case, and I'm just curious to see how the old bands that I have from my previous series of versions of the Apple Watch are going to look on this new Apple Watch Ultra. Now, for once, you can see here that I did do a bit of research on Apple's official support webpage. You can see the Apple support, and when it comes to the band compatibility and which sizes or series share the same band, including the Apple Watch Ultra that you see right there, you can see here that Apple mentioned that bands for the 49mm case, since the Apple Watch Ultra is a 49mm watch, so bands for the 49mm case are compatible with 44mm and 45mm cases, and bands for 44 or 45 cases are compatible with 49mm cases. So this means that if you have a series 7 or 8 that's 44 or 45mm, then the bands that you have are going to be compatible with the new 49mm case for the Apple Watch Ultra. So the bigger bands are compatible with the 49mm case for the new Apple Watch Ultra, and so I'm going to be trying out some of these new bands that we have here and basically see how they look on the Apple Watch Ultra. The first band that I would like to show you is this new carbon fiber Pitaka band. It's a premium band and it really fits well with the new Apple Watch Ultra, giving it that premium look. So the pairing is really easy and very simple when it comes to connecting it to your Apple Watch Ultra. It just hooks in place like that, and on the bottom too, it just hooks in really easy, and you can see once it slides in, it's not going anywhere. And I'll just put it on my wrist like this so that you can see how this new carbon fiber Pitaka watch band looks. So it has a magnet, and you can hear that it clips in really well, and to take it off you just push the pins and boom, it releases. So this is how it looks on the new Apple Watch Ultra. So you can see how on my wrist it really looks amazing when it comes to giving this new Apple Watch Ultra a different and more premium look. And this is something that you can wear your Apple Watch Ultra with when you're wearing something like formal, or when you go out for like formal outings or some dinners or events where you don't want to wear something that's bright, like this new orange alpine look. The second band that I want to show you here is this new Nike Sport Band. Now this is not the official one from Apple, since Apple does no longer do the black and white band configuration. So this is how basically the band looks on the inside, and on the outside it looks like this. And if this is a band that you would be using if you want to have this stretchiness, and also it's a band that you would use if you want to have your Apple Watch or your skin be able to breathe when you are wearing your Apple Watch Ultra. It looks really good actually with the Apple Watch Ultra, and it gives it this sporty look, and at the same time it allows your skin to be able to breathe when you are pairing or wearing it with your new Apple Watch Ultra. So you just tuck it in place like this. I think I might have put it on too firm, but once you do, just pull this in like this and your band looks like this, basically paired with the new Apple Watch Ultra. This is something that I would wear if I have like sensitive skin, where most of the time I need my skin to be able to breathe underneath the new Apple Watch Ultra. And you can see that, doing a workout with this band looks pretty amazing. It actually fits well and goes hand in hand with the new Apple Watch Ultra. But I do have a better band that I think might look better than the black and white configuration, and it's this next one. This is the white series or version of this Nike Sport Band, and you can see this one is still firm because I actually haven't had the chance to wear it. You can see how it looks just out the case. This is the top piece and the bottom piece that has the hook too. You can see it right there, and it's really easy to clip in. You can see it just goes in very easy at once. It's pretty easy and simple to put in, and you just have to wear it the same way you would wear your black band. And you can see here, paired with the Apple Watch Ultra, it looks amazing. It's almost as if, you know, the white Alpine loop that Apple was promoting when it comes to the Apple Watch Ultra, and this is how it looks. This fits the Series 7, fits the Series 8 and the Apple Watch Ultra, and you can see basically how it looks with the new Apple Watch Ultra. I think this is a favorite, and it's one that when I'm doing workouts or outdoor and about, this is something that I would rock. Let me know which one you think is your favorite. But yeah, this is how this white Nike sport band looks, and I'm going to be leaving a link for this in the description of this video. Actually, it looks quite okay. Now this is the regular Apple silicone band. You can see that this one is the band that I got with the new Apple Watch Series 7 a year ago, and the Apple Watch Series 7 came in this green aluminum casing. So when I got it, I also got this band, and you can see it just fits in really easy on the Series 7. And since this Series 7 is a 45mm, it means it can fit on the Apple Watch Ultra, since it's also like a bigger configuration. So to slide it in should be pretty easy as well. To fit it in, it just slides in as well, pretty easy on the Apple Watch Ultra. And then the other piece too, you can see it goes in, and then these two pieces are snug. And then to basically put this band on, it's one of the easiest bands to put on. And this one is officially from Apple, that I got, of course, when I got the new green Apple Watch Series 7. And you can see basically that this configuration, it's not the greatest. Maybe if I have a green watch face, then this band might be something that I might want to rock. Let me see if I was to change this color from this to the green one and see how it would look. So basically this is how it would look if I was to change my Wayfinder watch face on the Apple Watch Ultra to green, and paired with this green Apple silicone band. I think it's okay for if you want to wear like earth colors, but for me, I don't think this is my taste. This one was the favorite band when it comes to the Apple Watch Ultra, because Apple was basically marketing this band all over when they released the new Apple Watch Ultra. And the way I typically wear this band, I believe you can wear it according to how you like, since, you know, people are different and different fits as well as different wrist sizes. So the way I typically wear this, I just slide this top part that has the clip here. I slide it on the top section here, and it just goes in really easy and smooth. And then the bottom section, I slide it in here too, just like that, and you can see it clips in place. And then the band that I got, the size is the medium size, and you can see when putting in my wrist, I have to hold this clip, otherwise it will rub against my case or the screen of my Apple Watch Ultra. And then I basically just pull this like this, adjust it, and once I feel like it's snug enough, I just take this clip and then clip it in here on the bottom of the Alpine loop. And yeah, this is how it looks on the new Apple Watch Ultra. This was a favorite band, and you can see here I did change a little bit when it comes to the Wayfinder watch face, just to give it a different look. And yeah, it's a favorite, and for me, in my opinion, this is one that's really comfortable. Not gonna lie, man, this orange Alpine loop is really smooth. Really like this orange Alpine loop. Yo, what's up, Obed? Okay. It's really comfortable. I can wear this to bed, I can wear this when doing sports, and I can wear this in most cases besides like formal outings. Of course, it tends to be too bright. And also, when it comes to this orange Alpine loop, the disadvantage of it is that it's made out of fabric, so you can see already that it has started to gain some marks and get dirty. But otherwise, it's one, in my opinion, when it comes to most of these bands, this is the most comfortable band. Now, if you have a braided solo loop band or a non-braided solo loop band, then what you need, just make sure that you have a bigger case, like for example 44mm or 45mm, and then that will basically tell you that your old braided or non-braided solo loop band will be able to work with the new Apple Watch Ultra, and you will be able to see how it will look paired with the new Apple Watch Ultra. So basically that's how it looks for me on my Apple Watch Ultra, the different bands that I have been collecting over the years. If you do want to see some other bands and you want me to try them out, then do let me know in the comment section below. But other than that, enjoy trying the different old bands that you have from your different series of the Apple Watch, and you'll be able to see how they will look with a new bigger 49mm case that is here with the new Apple Watch Ultra. Now that's about it for me. If you like this video, do leave a like and stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.